Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in investing right now, AI stocks and AI trading. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been investing for a while, artificial intelligence is completely transforming the stock market, and you need to know what's happening. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about investing in AI companies, how AI is being used for trading, and most importantly, how you can get started safely. So stick around till the end because I've got some really practical tips for you. Let's get into it. So first things first, what exactly are AI stocks? Simply put, AI stocks are shares of companies that are either developing artificial intelligence technology or using AI to improve their business. Think of companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft, Google, and newer players like Palantir or C3.ai. Now, AI stocks generally fall into three categories. First, you have the chip makers, companies like NVIDIA and AMD that make the powerful processors needed to run AI systems. These guys are basically selling the shovels in the AI gold rush. Second, you have software and platform companies, like Microsoft with ChatGPT integration, Google with Bard and AI search, and Amazon with AWS AI services. These companies are building the actual AI tools that businesses use. And third, you have companies that are using AI to disrupt their industries, like Tesla with autonomous driving, or companies using AI for healthcare, finance, and logistics. The AI market is absolutely exploding right now. We're talking about a market that's expected to reach over $1 trillion in the next few years. So yeah, there's a lot of opportunity here. All right, let's talk about some specific AI stocks that are making waves right now. NVIDIA is basically the king of AI stocks right now. Their GPUs power most of the AI training and inference happening worldwide. The stock has seen incredible growth, but it's also pretty volatile. Microsoft is another major player. They've invested billions in OpenAI and are integrating AI across all their products, from Office to Azure cloud services. It's a more stable option compared to pure-play AI companies. Google's parent company Alphabet is heavily invested in AI research and has its own models like Gemini. They're also using AI to improve search, advertising, and their cloud business. Then you have companies like Palantir, which uses AI for data analytics, or C3.ai, which provides AI software for enterprises. These are higher risk but potentially higher reward options. One important thing to remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. The AI sector can be really volatile. Some experts recommend dedicating maybe 5 to 15% of your portfolio to AI stocks, depending on your risk tolerance. Now let's switch gears and talk about AI trading, which is completely different from investing in AI companies. AI trading means using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to actually make trading decisions. These systems can analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, way faster than any human could. AI trading systems look at things like historical price patterns, news sentiment, social media trends, economic indicators, and even satellite images to predict where stocks might go. Pretty wild, right? Now, there are different levels of AI trading. Some platforms give you AI-powered insights and recommendations, but you still make the final decision. Others are fully automated. The AI executes trades for you based on its algorithms. Big institutions like hedge funds have been using sophisticated AI trading for years, but now regular investors can access AI trading tools too through various apps and platforms. Here's the thing though, and this is super important, AI trading isn't a guaranteed money-making machine. These systems can be wrong. Markets are unpredictable, and some AI trading platforms are honestly just marketing hype with basic algorithms underneath. So, how can you get started with AI investing and trading safely? First, for investing in AI stocks, do your research. Don't just buy a stock because it has AI in the name or because everyone's talking about it. Look at the company's fundamentals, their revenue growth, their competitive advantage, and whether they're actually profitable or have a path to profitability. Consider starting with ETFs that focus on AI and technology. These give you diversification across multiple AI companies, which reduces your risk. Some popular ones include the Global X Robotics and AI ETF or the ARC Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF. For AI trading tools, start small. Test any platform with a small amount of money first. Many platforms offer demo accounts where you can practice without real money. Use those. Be very skeptical of platforms promising crazy returns. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. No legitimate AI can guarantee you'll make money in the stock market. Also, understand the fees. Some AI trading platforms charge monthly subscriptions, performance fees, or have high transaction costs. These can eat into your returns. And here's my biggest piece of advice. Don't rely completely on AI. Use it as one tool in your toolbox, but still learn about investing yourself. Understand what you're buying and why. AI should assist your decision-making, not replace your judgment entirely. All right, let's wrap this up. AI is definitely changing the investing landscape in huge ways. Whether you're investing in AI companies or using AI tools for trading, there are real opportunities here. But like any investment, it comes with risks. The key is to educate yourself, start small, diversify your portfolio, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. AI isn't magic, it's a tool, and like any tool, it works best when used wisely. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content on investing and technology. Drop a comment below if you have questions about AI stocks, or if you're already using any AI trading tools. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy investing. Now, before you jump into AI stocks or start using AI trading tools, there's one more thing you really need to understand: timing and expectations. A lot of people think AI stocks will just keep going up forever. That's not how markets work. Even the best AI companies go through corrections. You'll see big rallies, then sharp pullbacks, and that's completely normal. So instead of trying to perfectly time the market, a smarter approach for most people is dollar cost averaging. That simply means investing a fixed amount regularly, whether the market is up or down. This reduces risk and emotional decision-making. Another important point is earnings. AI stocks often move the most around earnings season. Strong revenue growth from AI services can push stocks higher, but even great companies can fall if expectations aren't met. So always pay attention to earnings reports and guidance. Now let's talk briefly about AI hype versus real value. Not every company that mentions AI in their presentations is actually making money from it. Some companies are years away from profitability. That doesn't mean they're bad, it just means they're higher risk. As an investor, you need to decide whether you want growth and volatility or stability and steady returns. This is where mixing large cap companies like Microsoft or Google with smaller AI-focused companies can make sense. You get exposure to innovation without putting all your money on risky bets. When it comes to AI trading tools, remember this: past performance does not guarantee future results. Many AI models are trained on historical data. When market conditions change, those models can fail. That's why risk management is everything. Always use stop losses. Never risk more than a small percentage of your capital on a single trade. Professional traders focus more on protecting capital than chasing big wins. And one more thing: emotions. AI doesn't feel fear or greed, but humans do. If you're constantly checking your phone, panicking over every price movement, or revenge trading after losses, even the best AI system won't save you. Successful investors think long-term. They stay disciplined. They follow a plan. So whether you're investing in AI stocks or experimenting with AI trading, your goal shouldn't be to get rich overnight. It should be to build knowledge, consistency, and smart habits. In the next videos, I'll break down specific AI stocks, AI ETFs, and even review some popular AI trading platforms, the good and the bad, so you can make informed decisions. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those. Once again, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Thanks for sticking till the end, and as always, invest smart, stay patient, and let technology work for you, not against you.